Alright, welcome back. We're going to do lesson 2, day 2. This is mainly just for some extra practice. You won't find it in your book. I printed a copy. If you were in class, you'll find it attached in Google Classroom. Before we continue, first do warm-up number 4. So you should give it a try, pause the video, and then come back. Okay, so it said let f be a function such that f of x equals 2x minus 4 is defined on the domain 2 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. The range of the function is. So again, this told you this is what our function looks like. And it's doing it for this domain only, from 2 to 6, including 2 and including 6. It's asking you to find the range. So you would go to your calculator and get those values. Make it here. We are looking for the range, the y values, and again, we have to stick within this particular amount of space. So the lowest, the highest, choice number 1. So on to this lesson, just more practice with these. We are given the function f of x equals 2 to the x, and this big X, the domain, is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it says to create a table of values for the specified x terms, graph the function for the table of values, and then list the range for the function. Guess what? I don't like this question, the way they've written it. It looks like it should just be a list of particular points, not an actual graph filled in with all the spaces. So that's a bad question. We're going to move on from that one. Just practice doing domain and range. So provide a suitable domain and range to complete the definition for each function. So f of x is equal to the square root of x minus 2. Obviously, we need to graph it. That's why this is here. So I'm going to go to my calculator. And my y equals the square root of x minus 2. And my table. Okay, so we've seen some errors. I got 2, 0, 3, 1, 6, 2. I'm not going to worry about other points because they're not nice. And then, is there anything else that I can fit into my graph? And it gets to 11 before I get to 3, so I'm not going to worry about it. So we have 2, 0, 3, 1, 6, 2. Quite reach 3, so that was out here. This is my function. Alright, so now we gotta do the domain and range. Again, we start with the all real numbers, and then we have to decide, do we restrict this? Does it only exist in a certain place? Looking back at my x's, in my table even, I have errors, right? We saw that. I had errors, it didn't start to exist, it didn't start to get answers until here. And then what values of x are getting answers after that? Well, ones that are bigger than 2, right? So I would have to say it's all real numbers for the domain, but then as long as x is greater than or equal to 2. And for the range, kind of same procedure. I have all real numbers. Do I need to restrict it? Is it only existing in a certain area? And again, we can see that I have errors. I didn't start getting answers until x is 2. What answers did I start with? I started at 0, and then what were they doing? They're getting bigger. So this one happens to also be, it's all real numbers as long as y is greater than or equal to 0. So 3 is going to be the same kind of thing. Get it graphed. Same with 4, domain and range. We we have some homework practice problems as well. So I really want you guys to be trying to figure these all out on your own. See what you can come up with and practicing that domain and range piece, because we will continue to use it and it will come up on the Regents. So I'm going to have you do both of the remaining practice problems and the two from the homework page as actual homework. It's the remainder of the class period, so you're just working on it. You should be able to be done by the end of the period. We have Mrs. Morgan and myself here available to help you out as needed. So you need to be asking questions, asking for help, and we'll have it due at the end of the period. So just those four, making sure you're getting them graphed and practicing the domain and range. When you have questions, be sure to ask.